In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to access Permission Manager. Tap on one of your device's options to manage and click on an app that you wish to manage under one of those categories. I will go with Chrome from Not Allowed one. Then apply any of those options by clicking on the best one for you and go back. You can also just tap on an app and instead of tapping on any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!